Firstly, the situation here where you can see we have a duct. I'm just going to extend this duct and just wrap it round the corner, and you'll see it how it collides with the other duct next to it now, and you'll see how it reports this red hard clash. So we know that that's definitely interfering with each other, so them ducts are definitely colliding. This here is a pipe. I'm going to do the similar thing with that, so hit create similar and just extend this pipe down. This one should be a soft clash because I've set it up so it just runs over the top of the duct, but it's within a soft clash tolerance that's been set up for this project, and you can see that's turned yellow. So I know that pipe is missing the duct, but it's very, very close to be a soft clash there, where within a certain range of tolerance.
So I'm going to link some more spaces. This time I'm going to select L3 as the phase and choose these, and I can now push this information from these spaces to the distribution board. So to perform that function, I simply pull down the drop down menu and choose update power data from spaces here. This will pull all of the load information from the spaces and update them to the actual switchboard. So if we take a look at the switchboard now, then we'll be able to see where all of that data is contained. So in the parameters here we have the estimated load for this board, and this is summarized from the spaces. So we can see here the load on phase L1 and the load on L3. There's nothing on L2 currently, so it's calculated all of that information and summarized it here.
In here you can see a little 3D preview. It's quite nice, as well as if you want to have a spin around there, as well as the obviously the preview here on the left, and you can see what's going to happen as a solution. But now I want taps rather than T, so I'm going to choose that option instead. So we'll convert them all to taps, and you can see now they've gone to more of a shoe type connector in there instead. But these are two 90-degree bends, so maybe I want two 45s in there instead. So you can see there's the solution, so it comes off the side at 45 degrees and drops onto the device at that level. Click on the device connection, then click on the duct where you want the connection to be made, and then you'll see that this comes up obviously with a similar option menu here, and you can see it's going to come off. What you have here, you have two different options for angles. You have horizontal and you have vertical. That's obviously because we're going to turn and drop down in the Z direction and also come across in the X and Y. So I might just want to go with 90, like so, and then I've got some options here for how I want the connection to be made off here. So I don't want to come off the bottom, I want to come off the side. Again, two 45s just like the other one. Press OK, and there we go, it's come off the side, drop down 45 degrees to the level, gone swept through a 90 degree, and then put the flexible ductwork on the end.